Force one Metro Atlanta court system to reinstate its mask mandate effective immediately. Masks are required in all public areas in the Cobb County courthouse complex. Health officials also want people to adhere to the social distancing guidelines that were so common during the peak of the pandemic. CBS 46's Rebecca Schramm is live on the square in Marietta. Rebecca, it feels like deja vu in Cobb County.
Yeah, it kind of does, doesn't it, Rob? A court administrator tells me they had to scramble to find a supply of paper masks to hand out to people walking in and out or into the court building. Yep, it's back to being a requirement, at least in this one branch of the Cobb County government. It's back to some of the pandemic requirements for people entering the Cobb County courthouse complex.
When I walked in, they asked me if I had a mask, and I did, but if not, they were providing masks for us.
Courts compel people to come, right? Most of the time, if you're in the courthouse, you know, you've got to be there. You don't have a choice. It's not like going to the movies or going out to eat or something.
Court Administrator Christopher Hansard is out of town on a conference, but he spoke with me via Zoom. He says since March, the courthouse has had an order in place that matched the CDC's newest recommendation regarding high, medium, and low levels for community spread. And all you have to do is look at the Cobb and Douglas Public Health webpage to see that COVID is now at a high level in both counties. So masks are now required in the court complex.
That's the main thing you'll notice. You'll also notice we're trying to keep people spread apart as much as possible to the 6 feet.
With COVID case numbers back on the upswing in several metro Atlanta counties, Rose isn't surprised with the court's requirement.
A lot of people are back sick now. Like, a lot of people are saying they're sick because of COVID or that they're having an upper respiratory infection again. I'm looking live at the Georgia Department of Health website, the map here, and it seems to show that several counties have higher case counts of COVID. But keep in mind, a lot of people do home tests now, so these numbers could be underreported. Live in Marietta, Rebecca Schramm, CBS 46 News.
Yeah, that makes sense, Rebecca. Thank you for that.